Hi everybody, I'm Danny.
I'm Corey.
And we are here with another snack time. What do you think, Corey? Old song or new song?
No song.
New song, that's what I thought you'd say. Snack time, snack time. I forgot the song, but I think that one was just as good. All right, welcome back to another snack time video. We are excited to show you some more recipes that you can make with your kiddos at home in your kitchen. This next one is a little fancy, but it's actually a pretty easy one for kids to help out with, and it is cheese fondue. Now, it's pretty close to Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day, everybody. And a lot of times people like to have fondue at Valentine's Day because it seems super fancy and super special, and it's totally something you can do with your kids as well. So we're going to show you how you can make the fondue, and then for dippers, for things that you can actually put in the cheese fondue, it's totally up to you. So today we are going to use an apple, we're going to use some cherry tomatoes, we've got some broccoli, so those are our healthy things, and then we also have a loaf of bread, but you can use pretzels, you can use salami if you want to dip that, you can dip other stuff. I can't think of any more. What would you want to dip in cheese? More cheese? Like a cheese stick? Get like a cheese stick and dip it in the cheese? That sounds good. But we're gonna just use these ones today. So we'll show you how to put it all together.